All Meghalaya Pharmacists Association galakon tu menteri rang ba ban pe yakaba kilakon no bat ban wengi ke ka balakot kum ka Jingma ka Jingshngain jo ki Paidbah haka kamshna Dawai jong ka jela. Hakador khas ke Seng galapan pawi kamat kum ka Jing pentre kam BA ni dukan dia Dawai ka Jing IY ki license ka Jing tuna hakarukam pentre kam ki an ba ka Jing bam pentre kam purai ki Indian Public Health Standard da ka ba Maham ba kani kala ban wan lami ka Jingma ka bajor ka kot ka khia jong Paidbah.
Before the public in a transparent and responsible manner. At the same time, strong attention is needed on illegal pharmacy operating without registered pharmacists and valid license. This is where the enforce can make a real difference. We stand for patient safety, professionally, integrity and lawful practice, and we are committed to protecting it. So the question, like yesterday, which puzzled me, the association which term as chemists and druggists. My question to them: are you a pharmacist? What authority you have, and dialogue us to the pharmacists that we should close the retail and wholesale. Remember that without the pharmacists and the licensed pharmacists, the shop and the wholesale can be illegal. So my message is concerned to those persons, the leaders of the association, come and have a word with us. So if you want to work together, we can work together with them.